Our meringue looks really cool, doesn't it? It weeped, not because it was set, but because of the water bath. Yeah. Marina, your hair looks fabulous. Sir Fancy Pants did it. He runs the Snip and Splash salon down in the kitchen sink's drain pipe. Remember, darling, beauty is in the details. I really like your new earrings. Thank you. We left the link below. Separate 3 eggs. We separate them outside the bowl in case a yolk burst. You don't want any yolk mixed in with the whites. Whoa! You call this a plan? Trust me, Jessie, I've got a knack for getting out of tight spots. Perfect! Oh yeah, and set a roasting pan of hot water in your oven to get the water up to temperature. I love to hang out in this water bath on my days off. It's so soothing for the scales and the bows. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and a dash of kosher salt. Look, it really does say dash. Now, while whisking, drizzle in a cup of steaming hot milk. They call this tempering. It raises the temperature of the yolks up to the milk without making scrambled eggs. Place your bowl over hot water and stir it constantly until it coats the back of your spatula. That'll happen in about 7 minutes, 8 minutes, right after 170 degrees. Add in a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and let it cool while we make the meringue top. Stick this in the auxiliary port. It'll overload the tractor beam. Whoa! Whoa! What in the good gravy is this? It looks like something Jeannie would use. No time for questions, just plug it in before Bungledorf sends another clown. This is known as a French meringue. Whisk the egg whites until they're foamy all the way through to the bottom and start forming clouds on the top. Gradually add in 6 tablespoons of sugar and whisk this to stiff peaks. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Big Val always gets a kick out of this. Place a peach half in each and pipe on that meringue. We love piping so much. You can use dollops too if you want. Just give it a nice big whisk like you do for lemon meringue pie. And bake for 30 to 33 minutes until the meringue is a toasty brown. And I got a new lever. It's special. Let's see how they like the jumbo jack in the box. You have to hold the handle. Whoa! Whoa! Done! Now what? We couldn't help but try this out on a party size. We doubled the custard amount. 6 yolks, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then for the topping, 6 whites, 12 tablespoons of sugar. You want to add in the sugar slowly, so we just stuck to tablespoons. Makes you count. Pipe it on fancy swirls. It's a little tricky piping on top of the wobbly custard, but doesn't it look so pretty? And bake this for 30 to 40 minutes until it turns a nice toasty, pretty meringue gold color. Take that, you buckle-headed jackwagon! Guess she wasn't ready for a little old-fashioned ingenuity. Hold tight, cheesecake. We're in the clear. Jumping Jehoshaphat, they're escaping! But hey, Jessie left her ship near the bumper cars. And I just happen to have the fuel.